Hey guys, it's been a while since my last video, but now I'm back with these different videos. So this is the Rubik's Race, and what you do with this is you race your opponent in the other side, and basically you have this scramble here, which you can scramble, or just have a Rubik's Cube and you scramble it, and then you have to do the three inner pieces according to the scramble, and the first one puts this down and wins the race. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And what I'll do in this video is to race these against the cube and do some other things with these two. But first, thank you so much for subscribing. We have reached the 10 subscribers goal. Now help me get to 50 subscribers, that's the next goal. And thank you so much for your help. So first I'm gonna show you how it works. So let's scramble this one and do this scramble here. So I'll start with the center, then the edges, and then the corners. So the green center, now two yellow edges, and yep, and down sides, and now orange and red. So the red goes here, and I have just taken the yellow out of place. And now the orange here, and now the blue is here already, and orange here, it's already in place. Orange, red, and now white and red. So let me put here a white one, and now a red here, and that's it. That's how you do this. Yeah, so now let's try to do this scramble in the cube. So I have the green center, okay. Now let's put the yellow and yellow edges like this, the orange and red like this, and now a blue here. So a blue can be this one, and the orange in this side. So the orange here, okay. So I have blue, yellow, orange like this. Now orange and red, now white and red. So a white here, this one, and now a red here. So yeah, that's it. Okay, now let's scramble the cube and see which one I can solve faster, the cube or the Rubik's Race. So I'll do this face in here. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was it. Now I'm gonna solve the cube from this scramble. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so the Rubik's Cube won the race. That's it for this video. Give me a like or a dislike and let me know if you liked this one. And comment below if you also have one of these Rubik's Race. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.